Okay, so the sausage is already done, and I have some garlic minced here, and it looks that color because of the fat of the sausage. And I already have the pasta ready, almost ready. I like it al dente, so I'm ready for it to be done, almost done. And I already grated the cheese. I thought I had Parmesan and Grana Padano, but I don't. What I have is some Pecorino Romano, and I have some mozzarella, and I'll just mix them together and pour it over the pasta when it's done. So I'll be right back when it's done. Hey friends, how are you? I'm back. So I finished dinner, did the dishes, showered, washed my hair. It's already half dry. I don't blow dry usually, or hardly ever. I let it air dry. I had it wrapped in a, you know, those turbans, which dries it up like most of the water, and then the rest of it I just let it dry by itself. So I wanted to get back with you and explain what I couldn't explain earlier, because I was trying to cook, you know, what I was cooking. It's a simple dish, but I was trying to cook it as fast as possible, and I had the kids and all that. So I wanted to explain to you just a little bit. Like right now, the way that we're living, I don't have a separate kitchen. I have is like, you know, like a stovetop kind of thing, like most portable things you can move around, and I have a fridge and all that, but I don't have a full kitchen. I hardly ever cook. I know how to cook, and I'm pretty good, modesty aside, but I hardly ever cook because by the time I get home from work, it's too late, and my mom is here at home, so she cooks most of the time. So when I do cook, it's mostly pasta, because I just like to cook pasta. My mom doesn't really cook. She knows how to, but that's not her thing. So I'm the one that does the pasta. So I wanted to cook something real quick, and my husband loved it, and it was really good. So he had dinner, and I also put aside for him tomorrow so he could have for lunch. So I just wanted to, you know, explain this because I couldn't earlier while I was cooking. You know, I was trying to finish dinner as quickly as possible. As you can see, I have nothing of makeup on. This is what I look like without makeup. My under eyes are really bad today. I don't know why. I haven't been feeling well. I woke up today with a really bad headache, and I still have like that aftermath, you know, that feeling in my head. I'm not feeling 100%, but I did want to, you know, film something for you guys today and get in touch with you and chit chat for a little bit. What I do want to show you now is I received a few days ago a box from a giveaway that I won from another YouTuber. She's not a beauty YouTuber. She does subscription boxes. Her name is Noël. Her channel is Hi Noël. I'll put her link down below. But I want to open the box, see what's inside, and share it with you guys. So I'm gonna flip the camera just so you guys see the box. Okay, so this is the box. I don't want to show the top because it does show my address and most importantly her address, and I don't want to give that away. But she had done a giveaway. She gave away 3 boxes and I got one of them. So I opened it, but I haven't really looked inside. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna keep or what I'm gonna, you know, give to my mom or give it to my I think a couple of these things I might give to my stepdaughter. She's 8 and she will love all this. So let's see. She did send me a card and it says sending you good vibe, and it's a note, handwritten note by her. It's very sweet, and it says thank you so much for continuing to support my channel. I always appreciate your thoughtful comments. It means a lot coming from a fellow YouTuber. And Noël, yes, thank you, Noël. This is really, really nice, really cute. All right, so let's go into it. All right, I see something that's not gonna, I'm not gonna keep this because it is like a wallet, like a little purse with Mickey ears. It is very, very cute, but I think my stepdaughter would enjoy it better than I would. Let me open it. I wish I could put it on a flat surface, but I am sitting on my bed. I don't have a flat surface right now. Yeah, it's like a purse. It's really cute, really cute. I really think it's the cutest thing, but I think my stepdaughter would like it. You know, she'll use it more than I can, but it's very cute. She does Noël, she does subscription boxes, she does beauty, she does makeup, she does lifestyle, and she does Disney. So that's why you see that Disney thing. Okay, this is like a little stationer. This is really cute. I might take it to work. I like this. These are sticky notes. It's a very pretty design. I use these a lot at work. We use the simple yellow ones, but this I could use. I'll keep this one. And I don't want to do a lot of mess because I am on my bed, like I said. Let's open this big one. It's like stationery. I love stationery. So I'm keeping stationery because I love stationery. It's a box of cards. Really nice. How many? 40 cards and envelopes. And it looks like probably different designs. Let me open it. So there's something like flowery. And let's see what... Oh yeah, they are different. This is very cute. Very cute. I use cards often for like things when I give presents. I buy them like blank cards so I could write whatever I want on them. For presents, for my own giveaways. These are some pretty... I'm trying to open it one hand. It's some pretty design. It's beautiful. It's a nice green, nice color. Oh, I love this one. It's so cute. I can't stick it out. This one's really cute with like little houses. Oh, I love it. I love this. Thank you so much. The designs are outside. I didn't notice that. That is beautiful. And they're not like holiday cards, which I don't, because I don't celebrate Christmas and all that. Like, I wouldn't like holiday cards. They're very generic. I like them, but they're beautiful design. Thank you. Okay, I see something that I already own. I've used it before. I like it, but I already have 2 of them actually. From Skin & Co. Whipped Cleansing Cream. I'm gonna put this aside to give away because I already have 2. One in my bathroom and one as a backup that I was thinking of giving away. So now I have 2 for giveaways. I get a lot of skincare. So whatever I'm not gonna use, I know I could give it to somebody that would take, you know, have more advantage with it. This is, what is this? This is a tried true autumn chestnut nourishing hand cream. This I like. I have hand creams in my purse. I have hand creams in my desk at the office. It is closed, so once I open it, that's it. It was sealed. It smells like a little bit like vanilla. It's a little bit too sweet for my taste, but I already opened it, and creams are always good, so I'm gonna take it to work so me and the girls that I work with, the ladies that I work with, could also use it. Very handful, especially we're always washing our hands and using antibacterial. Let me get the slippers out of the way. These are like little cats. Oh, this is cute. My mom would like this. What size are this? They probably won't fit me. I don't know, because I do have swollen legs, as I explained in my earlier video vlog. And I don't like to wear tight socks or tight shoes when I'm at home. So I'm gonna give this to my mom. My mom's like a size 7 or 8, 7.5. I think these are probably her size. It doesn't say the size on this, but I think they'll fit her. This box smells really good, and there's a lot of nice smelling things in here. Okay, this is an OMFG Cosmetics Highlighting Powder. This is what it looks like. It's a cute packaging. Pretty easy to open. You just click on that thing. Ooh, oh, it came out a little bit like scratched, but that was probably because of the transport. Oh man, that's very pretty. Let me swatch it. There you go. Now it's focusing. It is very pretty. Oh yeah, I'm keeping this for sure. And that lid that I just threw out, and that I don't know where it is now. I'm gonna need it because this thing is open, and that lid protects it. I'm gonna have to put this thing on the top for now. What's the brand of this high palette? Oh, OMFG. I've never heard of it. I'm gonna try it out. Okay, this is a comforting salve. This is a cinnamon and clove, all natural, handmade with 100% pure essential oils of clove, cinnamon, lemon, eucalyptus, lavender, and rosemary. Is this like for your lid? Oh no, apply generously to throat, chest, back of the neck, and bottoms of the feet. Oh, this is sort of like vapor rub. Maybe. I don't like cinnamon. This is like vapor rub. It's a little like vapor rub. I don't know. Maybe I will keep it. I'll think about it, because now the winter's coming and I might need it if I get a cold or something. Okay. Oh, there's more stuff here. This is what it looks like, a soap. Maybe it is a Saint Paulia. I can't see this. A soap, yeah. Solid conditioner. Sunday morning. Comes in a cute little bag. And there's something else of that brand because I see the label. Oh, it's cute. It smells nice. I'm gonna give it to my mom. She loves soaps like this. It smells nice. And then there's something else of the same brand. It looks, oh, this is the shampoo and body wash, but it's just probably the same. Kind of weird looking, like a little bit ugly, but it smells good. I'll give this to my mom. She loves soaps. All right, there's a whimsical wisteria conditioner lip polish from the brand Seraphine Botanicals. Never heard of them. It has avocado, apricot, jojoba, shea, cocoa butter, chamomile, wisteria, honeysuckle. Gently buff into lips until sugar crystals melt. Then rinse with cold water right with a wet tissue to reveal soft, revitalized skin. So it's like a scrub in a sense. See what it tastes. It smells like. Really pretty packaging. Oh, and it's sealed. Oh, it smells really good. Very fruity. I like it. Can't see what else. There's a bunch of stuff. A lot of stuff in here. Ooh, I remember when she opened this box. This is from Oui Please. I believe that French box. This is the Eden Miel de Picardie Linden Honey. Oh, I love this. This I love. It says linden honey harvested in Picardie, France. You'll be enchanted by the subtle minty freshness of Hélène linden honey. I'm gonna open this at the end to taste it, but let's put it aside. This I really love. I love honey and bee products, and I like to support them. Oh, I got this in I got this palette already. I got this in a, what is it, fashion stuff. So I'm not gonna open it because I know I already have it. This is a highlighter palette, and I'm gonna put it aside for a giveaway, which I like this palette. I have it. I've used it a bunch of times. I like it very much, so I know it's really good, but I don't want to touch it because yeah, I could always give it to somebody else. Let me see. Organic and Botanic Mandarin Orange Enhancing Day Moisturizer. Ooh. I can't read the ingredients because it's really small lettering, but water, glycerin. It has, let me see, coconut oil, rose flower oil, okay, aloe vera. Doesn't seem bad. I don't see any fragrances. Let's open it up. Okay, this is what it looks like. Ooh, it looks really nice. This smells very fresh. This looks really nice, really promising, and it's a glass jar. I like that. I'm gonna try this. I love moisturizers. Okay, let's see, what is this? Pumpkin spice loose leaf herbal tea. I don't want to open it because it loses freshness. It has herbal blend of rubios, cornflower, blue wallflower, cinnamon, ginger, cloves, candied ginger with hints of vanilla and orange flavors, and orange peel. It has a lot of spices. It sounds really good. Start with cold fresh water. Boil and 6 ounces of water per 3 grams of tea leaves. Steep for 4 minutes. Drain and enjoy. And as sweetener of choice, serve hot or iced. Probably use that honey that she gave me. Really interesting. I'm not gonna open it just yet, but I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna try it. Okay, let's take out this stuff on the top. Moral Little Fairy Tales Shadow Palette. Oh, let's see. This looks like something I'll probably give away because the packaging is so pretty. It's really pretty. It has beautiful shades. This one right here. Oh, that is gorgeous. Wishbone, Hero, Charm, Magic. Those are beautiful, beautiful shades. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or give it away. I don't know. It is gorgeous. I'll think about it. Very pretty. This is from Kevia. What is this? Probably like an incense thing. Oh, something's wet. No, maybe something from in here. Probably like an oil incense. Oh no, it's a water bottle. I'm sorry. Way off. I have so many water bottles already. This is like, I like it because it's smaller. Maybe for like a juice or something. Oh, very cool. Very nice. I like the box. If anything, I could always give it for a giveaway because I have like 4 water bottles. Okay, this smells a lot like Spice Pumpkin. I'm not a fan of these fragrances for the home, but I do appreciate it. I'm gonna give this to a friend of mine that I know she loves pumpkins and apples and those kind of fragrances for the home. I don't. They give me a headache, but I appreciate the gift. I just think my friend will use it better. And what is this? This is the Pineapple Loom Custom Embroidery Hoop Art Fiber weavings, but oh, it's like a keychain. Interesting. Yeah, it's very interesting. And this is a sample detox powder, clay mask, charcoal, kaolin clay, vitamin C mixed with water or ACV, and apply even layer on face. Let dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash off with warm water. Saffron face serum. Saffron can only be harvested for 2 weeks out of the year, and each flower must be handpicked. Saffron is extremely sought after. It reduces acne and blemishes, soothes uneven texture, and hydrates skin. I don't suffer from acne or things like that, but this is really interesting. I guess this bag right here is a saffron, and then I don't know what that little bottle is. I gotta check this out. I gotta look into it. This is like sea salt or Epsom salt or something. Let me just take out everything. Ooh, a face mask. Oh, I like this. Spa Life Gold Facial Mask. Oh, yeah. What is this? I don't know. Oh, it's a tea towel, linen and cotton blend. Oh, I like this. I like this very much. Let's see, something spilled because this is all wet. Oh, a notebook. A reflection journal. I hope it didn't get ruined. Oh, yes, it did. Look. Oh, man. I'll give it to my stepdaughter that she likes journals and drawings and all that. But it did get messed up. I guess an oil spilled or something. That's a bummer. Oh, this is La Bloom Beauty Cocoa Epsom Salt. This is interesting, and I think that's it. A lot of goodies. So I'm running out of battery, and the camera probably dies before I'm done, but I wanted to share this with you. I'm really happy I got this. Thank you, Noël, for this. I'll put her link down below so you guys could check her out. This is all I have for you today. I'm gonna pick this up, get ready, and go to bed and get ready for another day tomorrow. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.